How do goal-setting workshops handle conflicting goals? Have you ever felt torn between different goals? You are not alone. Many people struggle with conflicting objectives, especially when it comes to academics and career aspirations. So, how do goal-setting workshops tackle this issue? First, these workshops begin by recognizing and acknowledging the conflicting goals among participants. This open acknowledgement sets the stage for honest discussions. Instead of avoiding the topic, participants can share their experiences and feelings about their conflicting objectives. Next, workshops guide participants through a structured process to explore the nature of their conflicting goals. This includes examining the underlying values and priorities that drive these goals. Participants are encouraged to articulate their individual goals and identify the trade-offs they are willing to accept. This helps clarify where their goals overlap and where they diverge. By making these trade-offs explicit, workshops create a space for negotiation and compromise. Participants can find common ground or mutually acceptable solutions. Brainstorming techniques are often employed to generate alternative strategies that might reconcile or balance conflicting goals. This could involve looking for innovative solutions that satisfy multiple objectives or sequencing goals to reduce direct conflict. Emotional awareness is another important aspect of these workshops. Conflicting goals can evoke feelings like frustration or anxiety. Some workshops incorporate reflective practices that help participants sit with these emotions. This increases self-awareness and reduces resistance to change, leading to clearer thinking and more effective problem-solving. In group settings, facilitated discussions play a key role. These discussions help participants negotiate and converge on shared priorities. Ensuring that all voices are heard helps the group collectively agree on which goals to pursue and what trade-offs are acceptable. This collective agreement prevents misunderstandings and aligns efforts toward common outcomes. From the perspective of study hacks, handling conflicting academic or career-related goals through workshops involves aligning study objectives with broader career aspirations. Workshops guide participants to identify conflicts between short-term academic goals and long-term career plans. They work through these conflicts by prioritizing goals based on personal values and realistic trade-offs. Practical techniques used in these workshops include listing pros and cons, journaling about conflicts, and seeking external perspectives to clarify priorities. This structured approach helps learners maintain motivation and focus by resolving internal conflicts that might otherwise hinder progress. In summary, goal-setting workshops manage conflicting goals by recognizing conflicts, negotiating trade-offs, fostering emotional awareness, and reaching collective agreements. This process helps individuals align their personal and professional objectives effectively.